Now we move on to solving multi-step equations. So we've done this already. For example, this one has multiplication and subtraction in it. So we do the opposite. We add 7 to both sides. 3x is less than 15. Divide 3 from both sides. X is less than 5. Let's check to make sure. Something less than 5 would be 0. So that's less than 5. So does 3 times 0 minus 7 come out to less than 8? So negative 7 less than question mark, 8. Yes, it is. So it looks like we did it right. This is our answer. And if we're going to graph, that's the simple 5. Don't fill in the circle. Now, anything we should remember? I hope so. Just did this very recently. Distribute negative 0.6x. Negative is going to be a positive. 5 times 0.6 is 3. Less than or equal to 15. Subtract 3 from both sides. Negative 0.6x less than or equal to 12. Divide by negative 0.6. We're dividing by a negative, so the sign gets flipped. We will get negative 20. Graph it. X is greater than or equal to negative 20. So we put a circle, and it's greater, so it's to the right, and it's greater than or equal, so we fill in the dot. Watch out for the negatives. So now I've given you some slightly challenging problems. We don't have to worry about graphing them. Let's see what we can do with these. So negative 1/4 distribute. Negative 1/4 p plus negative times the negative is positive. 12 over 4 is 3. Greater than negative 2. And subtract 3 from both sides. And multiply by the reciprocal. Cancel, cancel, cancel. P is multiplied by a negative, so flip the sign. These will cancel. Positive 20. Not a big problem. And parentheses, let's get rid of them. 5m plus 25 less than 5m plus 17. Move the 5m over here. Move the 25 over there. These cancel. These actually cancel too, so we end up with 0 less than negative 8. Is 0 less than negative 8? No, therefore there are no solutions. You have to stop and be a little bit intelligent here and say, is that possible? Is 0 less than negative 8? No, it's not, so there's no solutions. If we had 0 less than 2, we would say, yes, that's correct, all solutions. So again, distribute. Let's move the numbers over. Minus 1 plus 8s. And everything cancels again. 0 less than or equal to negative 5. Is 0 less than or equal to negative 5? No. So the answer is no solutions. And that is it. Make sure you're careful. If the variable cancels out, think about it for a minute. Sometimes it'll cancel, sometimes it won't. Good luck.